Meet TileMate, the small, powerful companion that helps you find your things. Small and light, TileMate is designed to easily hook onto your keys, drop in your purse, or stick on your bike. When your things get lost, TileMate is there to help you find them. Ring TileMate to quickly find your remote control. Or use the Tile app to retrace your steps and see where you left your car on the map. If it's your phone that you're looking for, just press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even on silent. And if your bike goes missing, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified. Then, when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing bike, the Tile app will alert you of its most recent location. TileMate, the simple, easy way to find your things. Get TileMate today and never worry about losing anything again. Tile. Find what matters.
Track anything in real time with the precision performance of the STI GL300 real-time GPS tracker from Spytek. This unit is super discreet with a small body size of only 2 inches, so it fits almost anywhere. Plus, it packs a 2-week battery life for less charging hassle. Attach it to a person, vehicle, or object and start tracking immediately from your phone or computer. And pair it with the M2 waterproof case for easy magnetic deployment on cars or out in the elements. With Spytek's GPS tracking platform, you can monitor the activity of your tracker in real time, set up alerts, or even get custom reports summarizing the data. Log in from anywhere to use our advanced geo-tracking technology in a sleek, easy-to-use interface. There are no setup fees or monthly contracts, so just use it as you need it. At Spytek, we offer 24/7 best-in-class customer support and a lifetime warranty. If you experience any kind of problem, give us a call and we'll replace the product. Get to tracking with the STI GL300 real-time GPS tracker, only from Spytek.
We get a lot of emails from people asking us, well, why don't you integrate all the dashcam features into a rear view mirror camera? So we did just that, the mirror dashcam. To the untrained eye, it's just like any other rear view mirror, and you don't need any special tools to install it, as it conveniently fits over the original rear view mirror using 2 straps. The preview screen is integrated into the mirror. It's a 4.3-inch touchscreen, which is basically going to go into your peripheral vision once it's on, so you can concentrate on the road ahead. Just 1 or 2 seconds after you start driving the vehicle, the camera will turn on automatically and start recording. so it's truly ready the moment you are. There are many users on the internet who complain that for some reason, many dash cameras don't actually record in very good quality or that the quality is poor. We believe that for a dash cam, the primary purpose should be to record high quality video. The eMirror dashcam uses a professional image sensor that supports 138 degrees field of view. The maximum aperture is f2.0, and that provides 1080p at 30 frames per second full HD video recording. The rear camera has a 125 degrees wide-angle lens and uses an industry-leading 720p camera solution that's clear and stable, providing more safe vision. In addition to your regular driving videos, the eDash camera can also be served as a rear view camera. So when your vehicle is switching into reverse gear, the camera will automatically switch to the rear camera, so you don't have to be worried about reversing into anything anymore. When you have a long journey ahead of you, the eMirror dashcam can provide intelligent judgment based on your driving habits and deliver fatigue driving prompts to ensure that you're always awake while you're driving. And after you install the accompanying eDash camera app, you can also view your saved videos history at any time. Through the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, you can actually transmit this saved video to your computer. You can share with the community, your social media, and you can also use it to download and save in case you need it as evidence as needed. Driving for long periods of time can obviously increase the chances of encountering emergency situations, but in the event of an unexpected collision, the eMirror dash camera's built-in 3-axis sensor will detect the collision and record everything, including the moments leading up to it. This footage is then locked from loop recording, and it's going to make sure that you always have it when you need it. So this was the eMirror dash camera.